My name is Naomi Mariquin, and I am 19 years old, and I work as a patient care tech here at Morton Plant Hospital.
My name is Sophie Malecki. I'm 17 years old, and I'm a patient transporter here at Morton Plant, and it all began with the internship through the Boys and Girls Club and BayCare. We're the first hospital to partner with the Boys and Girls Club, and it makes me feel so proud.
We are able to give high school seniors the opportunity to get some hands-on experience working at a hospital. Boys and Girls Clubs in general, we just provide opportunities for all students, but typically students who may be facing different barriers in life. So whether it be single-parent household, different income levels, we're just able to give an opportunity to any student who may be facing any challenge in their life. A lot of them have never thought that college is an option for them.
Growing up, I knew I always wanted to be in the medical field, but I never thought I'd be a patient care tech. So I'm very lucky that I got this opportunity from the Boys and Girls Club.
This has been a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for me because I've got to make so many great connections with first working as a nurse helper, and I got to meet doctors and nurses on floors, and they really would tell me about their day-to-day life. And then working in transport, you don't really get experiences like that when you're a minor. So it was a great way to get in the healthcare field at such a young age and be able to see if this is something I really wanted to do.
The Boys and Girls Club BayCare partnership really pushed me with what I wanted to do. I knew that I really wanted to help with patients and care for them. It brought me into this new world. It really opened my eyes with new experiences.
It's really hard to see any hospital give an opportunity to a 17, 18-year-old, the chance to work hands-on in a hospital. Being able to give them that real-life experience of what it's like to work in the field is super important.
Once the students are chosen by the Boys and Girls Club of the Suncoast, then they come to me for training. And they're here right at our BayCare system office for about 5 weeks. And I train them to be nurse helpers, and we train them to be transport. And so our team members are very grateful to have that extra set of hands and be able to preset all of these students with the hopes that one day they'll be our team members.
It's been a really great success because we've seen almost 90% of our students actually be employed by BayCare. So not only are they confident that they want to be in the healthcare and medical field, but they're still choosing to go back to BayCare and work for them.
I really just got a taste of the medical field and the people that work here and the BayCare values. It's always a fun day working here.